Friday's earthquake in New York was not natural. In 1944, America raced to build not just a bomb, but a weapon that could shake entire cities. Deep beneath New York, they built a secret machine. They called it Project Helix. The war ended. The project was buried, forgotten. But machines do not forget. They rust. They break. And when this one failed, New York trembled. The epicenter matches exactly with the hidden tunnels. This was no random quake. It was 80 years of silence, breaking. And if it happened once, it will happen again.